Good morning, DeWolf biology students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This one has to do with eukaryotic cells, and we're going to be exploring that and labeling the organelles in a cell using Minecraft for Education. So, to find the assignment in Google Classroom, you might have to click that See More button because there's a lot in this section. Right here, eukaryotic cells, Minecraft. And here's the directions. You're going to see an animal cell in this world and a plant cell, both of those being eukaryotic cells. You're going to get a camera and a portfolio into your inventory. You're going to take pictures of both types of cells from the sky, and you're going to put those into the Google Slides that are attached to this assignment, and then you're going to create labels and arrows to identify the organelles. I've already created the labels for you, so half of that's already done. You just got to put them in the right place and have arrows point to the right organelles. So in order to do that, you might want to go and find yourself a chart that'll show you that. So you can do animal versus plant cell probably. Let's see if that's true. Oh, look at these diagrams. So just find one of these and should help you out with that. So how do we do it in the world? Let's get into it. So you'll click this and it should take you right to that. Well, let me show you the slides. So this is just, you'll put your first and last name on the title slide, and this is me beginning it. So I went to the sky, took the picture of the plant cell, and I've begun to label this cell. So the nucleolus is the center of the nucleus. The nucleus itself is right here. And then I'm going to drag this up. So like the next one that's pretty obvious is like the cell membrane. So you got cell wall and cell membrane. So you got two layers here, so I would point the cell membrane to the inner part, and cell wall would be the outer wall. And then like ribosomes are the red dots here, so I could use this line, I can copy and paste it, I could bring it over here to ribosome, kind of shorten it so that it's pointing to this one, and we're good to go. So this is how we're going to do it, but in the world, how do we get those pictures? Let's see if this will take me directly there. I think it will. Okay, now that the world is opened up, I can get in here and see where to go. I can read about it here. So cells are the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all living beings. They are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. There are different kinds of cells. They can be prokaryotic if they don't have a nucleus, so that's the unicellular ones that we've been talking about, and then eukaryotic if they do have a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells also can be animal or plant cells, so each one of these have their own organelles. Discover these organelles traveling through the cells and take a picture of them. Then you can seek information about them and decide which cell is in an animal one and which is a plant one. So, fly up into the air. You're going to find that you've got an animal cell there and you've got a plant cell there. So you're going to get into your portfolio a camera and into your inventory a camera and a portfolio. So do that. And portfolio. Okay. And so now I want to take the picture. Get pretty high so I can see all the organelles. And then from my portfolio, I can go to my portfolio and I can export my portfolio. And it's going to be a PDF file, so this is where it kind of gets a little tricky. So, PDF file. I'm going to open up the file. I'm going to take a screenshot so I can put it into my slide. So here's the downloads. Here's my eukaryotic cell. Scroll down, magnify so I can get a pretty big image of it, and then I'm going to screenshot. Snipping tool gets me that, and I can go to my cell here, paste it in, kind of expand it out. Now I can start labeling. So I've got the plant and the animal cell ready to go. I'm going to right click this and make the order back. So now I'm ready to label both animal and plant cells, and that's going to be the assignment. So use this as a tool. This was the PDF. It was on a separate screen. So once you get the PDF up, you can take a picture of that, copy it over, and put it into the slide just like I saw. So if you need help, this is the video for you, or people in class can help, or I will be live in class to help you out. Your last step, like I said, for both of these, use the labels that are already here, and you're going to go and get arrows to point to the different organelles like that. I would suggest changing the colors of these arrows so that you can see them, and that's that. I will see you back in class.